All right, so here for a subtraction problem, I have 20 minus 11 and 24 hundredths. And at the 20, you can see that there is no decimal in this number. So we assume that the decimal goes right here after the 0. So when I line it up, I'm going to put 20, and then I'm going to put my decimal right there as a tracker for when I subtract the 11 and 24 hundredths. So I'm going to subtract 11 decimal 24. Now, as you can see, there's some bare space up here. We need to add our ghost zeros, so we're going to do those. Anytime you're doing subtraction, you need to make sure that the largest, the greatest number is on top. You cannot subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. It has to be the greatest number on top. Now, when I go to do this, I see 0 minus 4. If I have nothing, I cannot take 4 away, so I'm going to have to borrow. Now here, still nothing. Here, still nothing. So I need to borrow from the 2. I'm going to borrow. That's going to become a 1. I'm taking 10. Okay, that's 10. Now, I have to get that all the way over here, so it's going to become a 9. This would then become a 10. Borrow a 9. And then this would become a 10. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. 9 minus 2 equals 7. I'm going to drop down my decimal. 9 minus 1 equals 8. And then 1 minus 1 equals 0. Okay, so this would be our answer. Now, in order to check our work and make sure that we did everything correctly, we need to do our inverse operation, which again is the opposite. So the opposite of subtraction is addition. Okay, so we need to add this number right here and this number. So we're going to add 11 and 24 hundredths plus 8 and 76 hundredths. Now, I'm making sure everything's lined up. If it looks good, I'm going to move on. All right, so 4 plus 6 equals 10. I'm going to drop my 0 and carry my 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 7 equals 10. So again, I'm going to drop my 0 and carry my 1. Now I'm at my decimal, so I'm going to drop my decimal. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Drop my 0, carry my 1. And then 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, so I got 20, which should match my original number up here. And it looks like it does, so that means that when we subtract 20 and 11 and 24 hundredths, our answer would be 8 and 76 hundredths, and that works out perfectly.